Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Amylase enzyme acts on option A, carbohydrate, option B, protein, option C, fat, or option D, sugar. Amylase enzyme acts on. The correct answer is option A, that is carbohydrates. Question number 2. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Option A, rennin, protein, option B, amylase, lactose, option C, trypsin, starch, option D, invertase, sucrose. You have to find the correctly matched pair. The correct answer is option D, invertase, sucrose. Rennin protein, there is a single N. Single N rennin is secreted by the JG cells of kidney, right? If it had been double N, then protein might have been correct. Amylase is for carbohydrates. Lactose is a disaccharide. Amylase is for polysaccharides. Trypsin, of course, it's not for starch, it's for protein. Invertase is correct. It digests sucrose. Number 3. Kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of option A, proteins, option B, carbohydrates, option C, fats, option D, salts. Kwashiorkor caused due to deficiency of which of the following? The correct answer is option A, proteins. There is a group of diseases known as protein energy malnutrition. There are two important diseases under this group, Kwashiorkor and right, marasmus. So protein deficiency leads to Kwashiorkor. Question number 4. Enzyme which converts fat or oil into fatty acids and glycerol is option A, maltase, option B, sucrase, option C, pepsin, option D, lipase. Enzyme which is digesting or cleaving fat into fatty acid and oil into glycerol. The correct answer is option D, lipase. Question number 5. Ptyalin acts upon option A, fats, option B, proteins, option C, lipids, option D, starch. The correct answer is option D, starch. What is the other name of ptyalin? Right, salivary amylase. So salivary amylase secreted in saliva acts upon starch. Question number 6. Pear's patches contain option A, mucus, option B, sebum, option C, lymphocytes, or option D, RBCs. Pear's patches contain. The correct answer is option C, lymphocytes. What are Pear patches? These are lymph nodes that are present along the alimentary canal, especially in ileum. Question number 7. The pH of Succus entericus is option A, 7.8, option B, 6.6, option C, 5.6, option D, 2.0. pH of Succus entericus is. The correct answer is option A, that is 7.8. The pH of Succus entericus is slightly alkaline. Question number 8. Milk protein is acted upon by a gastric enzyme. Option A, casein, option B, rennin, option C, pepsin, option D, caseinonage. Milk protein is acted upon by gastric enzyme. The correct answer is option B, rennin. And guys, note over here the rennin is having double N, R-E-N-N-I-N. Question number 9. Enzyme arginase is found in option A, mouth cavity, option B, stomach, option C, intestine, or option D, liver. Enzyme arginase is found in. The correct answer is option D, that is liver. Question number 10. Function of HCl in stomach is 2. Option A, kill microorganisms of food, option B, facilitate absorption of food, option C, dissolve enzymes. Option D, activate pepsinogen 2 pepsin. Function of HCl in stomach is 2. The correct answer is option D, that is activate pepsinogen 2 pepsin. Question number 11. Inhibition of gastric secretion is brought about by option A, cholecystokinin, option B, pancreozymin, option C, gastrin, option D, GIP. Inhibition of gastric secretion is brought about by. The correct answer is option D, GIP. Question number 12. The muscular contractions in alimentary canal is known as option A, systole, option B, diastole, option C, peristalsis, or option D, metachronal contractions. The muscular contractions of alimentary canal is known as. The correct answer is option C, peristalsis, and the function of peristalsis is propulsion of food. Question number 13. Bile is secreted by option A, pancreas, option B, kidney, option C, heart, option D, liver. The correct answer is option D, liver secretes the bile. Question number 14. In gluconeogenesis, option A, glucose is polymerized to glycogen, option B, glycogen is synthesized from glucose, option C, carbohydrates are synthesized from amino acid or lipids, option D, glucose is broken into pyruvic acid. In gluconeogenesis, the correct answer is option C, carbohydrates are synthesized from amino acids and lipids. The word itself reveals it. Gluconeogenesis. Gluco means glucose, carbohydrates. Neo means new. Genesis means synthesis. So glucose is getting synthesized from a new source. And what is the source? Amino acids and lipids. Question number 15. Islets of Langerhans produces. Option A, insulin. Option B, renin. Option C, tylen. Option D, HCl. Islets of Langerhans produces. The correct answer is option A, that is insulin. Where are islets of Langerhans present? They are present in pancreas. There are 2-3 types of cells. Alpha cells produces glucagon. Beta cell produces insulin, right? Renin is produced from JG cells. Tylen is an salivary amylase, so it is produced by salivary gland, and HCl secreted in stomach. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time, with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.